Yes, hello, good people, it's Morgan here. On this video, we are going to purchase the books. We are going to purchase only 2 books just for the purpose of demonstration. Let's knuckle down into it. And now we work on the premise that you already noted the 5 courses that you are going to do in that particular semester. You've noted the books, you've noted the assignment dates. So now we are going to purchase the books based on the information that you were guided through on the video that is related to what next after registration. If you haven't seen that video, just Google Mbongeni vlog. You will see that video. It says after registration, what next? So here we proceed from that video moving forward. On Google search, just type the name of the book as well as the author. As you can see here, we are checking the book called International Law by Stradom. So you just type it. As you can see here, can you see there? Those are the books. So you will note the one with the cheapest price. But also, if you can notice that these books are not all the same, although they are written international law, but they are not all the same. That's the main purpose. You need to take all the information as it provided on the online material, the tutorial letters. You will compare. You see the first and the second one, like this one, it's different than the other ones. You will just notice here. Can you see the first, the second look the same? That one is different, look different, if you can see, but it's also an international law. So this is the most important thing, because whether you will purchase it here or you will purchase it from someone, you see this one is different from those other ones. You will need to know the type of the book you want, the edition. You see there the ISBN number. Very, very important to get all this information, although they don't provide on the tutorial letter, but you will need to find the right book. Once you have gone through this process, you see that this is the one that is most probable. Then you take a screenshot. You see there's the draft I've done for the courses and the books. You see there's the book for all the 5 modules that I will be doing now. So yeah, then the second book also, you need to type the name of the book. You can even also put the author, but with the name of the book as is provided, that will suffice. As you can see here, now we are checking the customary law in South Africa by Himonga. Do the same. Can you see? 3 are not the same. The second one is different. The third, the fourth look the same. Did you notice that they are different? So how are you going to know which one? That is very, very much important. But you will see when we go deeper into checking the information here, like the ISB number and all things like that, you will be shown which one is more likely to be the correct one. Can you see here? That is the information as from the tutorial letter. So you'll need to check on the description of the book right here, so that at least that you need to make sure with certainty this is the book, this is how it's going to look like, before you can even think about anything else. So all the information that appears there, it was provided. Most probably the very same information on the other one that look different from this one going to be there. Then how are you going to see which one is the correct one? But there are certain hints that you can see here. Some of the books on the description, they will put the code of that particular course. Can you see the first, the second? The second one is different from the first and the third one. So all that, as a distant student, you will need to know. You will need to master it, because you purchase the wrong book, some service provider may refuse to take it back because you knew. And some service providers, they order as per the customer request. So if you take it back, you'll get your money once they get someone who will purchase it. Then if it's the wrong one, who will purchase the wrong book? Even if you purchase from someone, you will need to have a clear picture of the book you want. Then if you want a brand new one, then you purchase it here. You choose the cheapest, but need to make sure you see this one look different than the first and the third one. But you see, now we are checking the details, descriptions, and all things like that. There's the company book, a book. At some stage, I will also show you how to purchase things online, but it's a very simple process. For now, all you need to know, online there may be many books. How are you going to know which one is the correct one? Sometimes other lectures, they will even provide with the barcode, which assists a lot. The barcode for that specific book. Can you see here now on the details? Just have a thorough look there. ISBN number, the code, the barcode. You see there is UNISA, which means it's among those provided. Can you see the code there at the bottom, right at the bottom there? This one most probably is the correct one. Whether you purchase it here or not, now you can take a screenshot for this book, so that even if you purchase it from someone, at least you know the type of book you need. So that is the main thing about purchasing the book. That is the main thing that you need to master. Then you choose the cheapest price if you want, but there are other tips with regard to what we call e-commerce. You see on this one, there doesn't seem to be any recommendation, like the module code or the UNISA's details here. So most probably is not the right one, but you see the author, all are this, everything is almost the same. Yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. If you are a returning viewer, please also consider to subscribe and continue to support this channel. I hope you find something valuable. Don't hesitate to drop the question or the comment in the comment box below. Let's meet